What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you how to play the great song by Sarah McLachlan, Building a Mystery. Great 90s pop. So it's not that much to it. It's right standard tuning. We gotta put a capo on 2nd fret, please. We get all these nice open chords. We have A minor. Song is in A minor or A minor shape. Let's say that. First finger, second finger, third finger. F major. I play F like this with the fifth in the bass. C major. 1, 2, 3. G major. Also, we have a D major in there for the pre-chorus. I'm gonna show that lick at the end of the lesson because that's more advanced. All right, so we got A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C major, G. Before they go back to the verse, they stay longer on the G. You hear it. Play along with the record. So I'm muting with this part, putting that on the bridge. So that beginning to C, first finger on the first fret here, play the B and the E string. So B and the E string, lift up that finger, E and B, and then play G and B open. It's like a little guitar solo, whatever that is. That's between F and G, but the bass stops playing, so it's hard to hear, but it's between F and G before the last chorus. Okay, that's it. Awesome song. I always loved this since it came out, I don't know, mid-90s, early 90s, 93, 94. All right, cool. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. Be safe.